Ever pondered on how interpersonal intelligence can be a game changer in determining your career path? In the world of work, having a high level of interpersonal intelligence is like possessing a secret weapon. It's the ability to read and understand people, to communicate effectively, and to build relationships. This skill is a crucial factor in many career paths. Today, we're exploring 20 career options where a high level of interpersonal intelligence can be a significant advantage. These careers are expected to be in high demand in the next decade. First on our list is a social worker. Social workers are the glue that holds communities together. They help individuals and families navigate through life's challenges. Interpersonal intelligence is vital in this career because it enables social workers to build trust with their clients, empathize with their situations, and provide effective support. Next up, a human resources manager. This role involves managing employee relations, ensuring that everyone feels valued and understood. With a high level of interpersonal intelligence, HR managers can navigate complex relationships, mediate conflicts, and foster a positive work environment. A career as a teacher also requires a high degree of interpersonal intelligence. Teachers have to understand their students' needs, motivations, and learning styles. They use this understanding to create engaging lessons and foster a supportive learning environment. The fourth career option is a psychologist. Psychologists use their interpersonal intelligence to understand their clients' thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This understanding helps them provide effective treatment strategies and improve their clients' mental health. The role of a public relations specialist is another career that requires a high level of interpersonal intelligence. PR specialists need to build strong relationships with the media, understand public opinion, and communicate effectively to shape their organization's image. Next, consider a career as a nurse. Nurses need interpersonal intelligence to communicate effectively with patients, understand their needs, and provide emotional support. This skill is also crucial in collaborating with doctors and other healthcare workers. The seventh career option is a sales manager. Sales managers use their interpersonal intelligence to understand their customers' needs, build strong relationships, and motivate their sales team. Becoming a lawyer is another career path where interpersonal intelligence can be a significant advantage. Lawyers need interpersonal intelligence to understand their clients, negotiate effectively, and present persuasive arguments. The role of a corporate trainer also requires a high level of interpersonal intelligence. Corporate trainers need to understand their trainees' learning styles, motivate them, and communicate complex information effectively. Lastly, consider a career as a politician. Politicians need interpersonal intelligence to understand their constituents, build alliances, and communicate their policies effectively. In summary, interpersonal intelligence is a crucial skill in many career paths. It allows individuals to understand others, communicate effectively, and build strong relationships. Whether it's helping a community as a social worker, managing employee relations as a HR manager, teaching students as a teacher, providing mental health support as a psychologist, shaping public opinion as a PR specialist, providing patient care as a nurse, driving sales as a sales manager, advocating for clients as a lawyer, training employees as a corporate trainer, or leading a constituency as a politician, interpersonal intelligence can be a significant advantage. So if your kid's DMIT report indicates a high level of interpersonal intelligence, consider these career options. Remember, the world of work is complex and ever-changing, but with interpersonal intelligence, you'll be well equipped to navigate it.